Them broke the wholesale and TV generate. Oh, God. Look here, man. So what me for about that? Alright, well, in terms of the building supplies, them they soon come. So we can sort that out. But me can't do about no more light thing. Me no more generator for you. Yeah. Oh, brother. I'm a cousin donate them generator there. Me no have no more means I get no more right now. Alright. Me will see what me can do. But me never expect this. Me I try help out the situation, but them only make it worse. No, me not hear from Code yet. Me not gonna do that. Me not want nobody start fret, so me not gonna call the family. Worse, them gonna probably blame me, say as him start link with me, see him gone missing. Yeah. As soon as the material them reach, we'll send them done. Alright, look, now I'll call you back.
When did Michelle go over there?
Please don't come over here.
So do you think Michelle go over there?
Please don't come over here.
Or maybe I'll go over there.
Don't tell me. Me under surveillance again.
But that was such a predictable statement. But no, you're not.
So I guess you're here to work, right?
Actually, yes, I am.
Oh, so is the ops Carlton Wallace and the work?
You remember once I told you I was working from home?
Oh yes, you're working from your home, my home, well, especially my home, and I guess anywhere we were together, you are working.
Look, I understand you being standoffish, and I guess I would have deserved that. But I'm really here to work, Carlton.
Well, don't let me stop you. Go ahead and work. You know what's over there, Celebrity?
I like this spot. It's usually where I work from.
You usually work from here. Since when?
Right here for a while since you introduced me to the place.
So, as an agent, why are you sitting with your back to the entrance? You should know better than that.
Well, I have somebody watching my back.
Who that?
You?
Me. Watching your back. I don't think you should take solace in that at all. Tell me something. Is it an agency policy to be so obnoxious and feeling entitled? Like, why do you think you can come sit on yourself in front of me?
Because despite what you think, Mr. Wallace, I had good intentions.
So is the road to hell paved with good intentions.
So this is what we're gonna do? First you love me and now you just hate me?
That does roll off your tongue so casually, don't it?
Alright, I get it. But the fact that I'm here, you're here, I still think we can be very civil. So, how are you?
What? Hold on. Is that prank this? Where the camera? Where the rest of people in there? Because this must be a prank. This need more people. But just ask me, how am I?
Do you see me as so much of a demon that we can never have a civil conversation, Carlton?
What? Miss Cunningham? Well, if that's your name. You have short-term memory or something? You remember what happened the last time we were in a space together? Alright, hold on. Let me play it back for you. You and I were in a relationship. An exclusive relationship. To my knowledge, you tell me how much you love me. And I felt the same. Then, you go missing. I say, alright? My scotch earth to find you. Now most I'm more on your death. Now get ready to take some of the life feet. The next thing, I find myself in an interrogation room. And who walk in? My interrogator, Agent C. You, the woman I love. And you treat me like a hostile person. I know you come stand in front of me and ask me, how are you? You expect us to be civil?